afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the markets are doing this afternoon, as well as which are the individual stock movers in trade. So talking about the market, the benchmark indices trading almost flattish with slight bit of a positive bias. Sensex trading around the 51,980 levels, while Nifty trading around the 15,500 mark as well, above the 15,500 mark. Now talking about the broader markets, actually they seem to be underperforming the benchmark indices. So both the Nifty mid cap and the small cap trading in the red. Other than that, sector wise, we are seeing PSU banks, metals as well as realty, which are among the top draggers in trade and top laggards in sector wise as well. Nifty media and energy seem to be trading slightly with a positive bias today. Talking about individual stocks now, we have Rupa Co, which has surged as much as 15% in trade today after a solid set of numbers. The company has actually swinged into a net profit this time of around 65.9 crores versus a net loss last year. Even the revenues have more than doubled and have come in at 454 crores. So surely a strong set of numbers coming in by Rupa and Company. Then we do have PNB Housing Finance, which is in focus. That stock is also buzzing. It was locked in upper circuit also as well this morning. As well as, Investec brokerage firm has maintained a buy stance on the company, mainly to reflect that, they've seen improved growth prospect as well as higher certainty also coming in over there. So, there are a few positive triggers coming in for PNB Finance, Housing Finance as well, and the stock is surely locked in upper circuit today. Moving forward, we do have Magma FinCorp. Stock is up as much as 5%. And this is despite a weak set of numbers. But what is interesting is that we're seeing a mix coming in the change coming in the management, where Magma FinCorp's board has actually appointed Serum Institute CEO Vinnii Motiwala as the chairman of the company, while further development also is there that Magma FinCorp's board has also appointed Vijay Deshwal, who is currently with ICICI Bank, to join as the CEO of the company from 1st July. So despite the results, we are seeing some positive move coming on the back of this as well. Narayana Hrudayala is also up as much as 4% in trade after a solid set of numbers reported by the company. The company's profits have surged as much as 5-folds this time around and come in at 68 crores, while overall the revenues also risen by 13% on a year-on-year basis. So a strong set of numbers coming in from Narayana Hrudayala. We do have Nahar Spinning Mills also buzzing in trade, up as much as 5%. It was locked in upper circuit as well after a robust set of numbers given by the company. The company has actually swinged into a profit this time versus a loss last year, as well as the overall revenues, have also jumped by around 27.8% on a year-on-year basis. We do have Asian Greener also in focus, up as much as 1% on trade after its numbers, where the profits have more than doubled, as well as the revenues have jumped by 68% as well. Other than that, Shilpa Medicare, on the other hand, is actually tanking in trade, down as much as 3% after a weak set of numbers by the company, where the profits have slipped by 77.4% and the revenues also have declined by 5%. So surely let's keep an eye out on how these stocks end in trade today. As of now, these are the midday movers in trade.